To start a new private chat in Teams, you have two options. The first is to click on the New Chat button. To find the New Chat button, click on the Chat app. The button is available at the top of the left rail. When you click on the New Chat button, a bar appears at the top of the canvas. This is where you can add other people to the chat by using their names or university email addresses. You can then click on the arrow on the right of this bar to give the chat a new name. This can make it easier to identify what the chat is for, particularly if you're creating a group chat. When you've finished, start the conversation by typing a message. Until you send a message or make a call, the chat stays as a draft. You can also use the search bar to find someone else quickly and begin talking with them. Just type in the name of the person you want to talk with, starting with their surname, and when the person appears in the search results below, click their name. If that person doesn't appear, try an advanced search. Click at the top of your results and, in the next screen, click the People option in the left rail. This will give you a list of people with the name you've searched for. Click the name of the person you want to start a conversation with. Start the conversation by typing a message or making a call. Otherwise, the new chat will remain as a draft.